So, here today we are with a very interesting topic of factors that determine marketing decisions and what are the different types of marketing philosophies. So, when we see what are the factors that determine marketing decisions, before that, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if I'm helping you to learn things better. So let's move with further ado. What are the factors determining marketing decisions? So it might be mass production, innovative product. Mass itself means more. I'm producing in bulk. Okay, the production is too much, that is called as mass production. Innovative product, I'm bringing some changes in the invention. Now first mobile phone was invented, and then now they have innovated with cameras in it, they have innovated with 5G in it. There are many other features. So this improvement in the invention is called as innovative. Aggressive selling, I do so much of advertising just to sell my products. That is called as aggressive selling. My aim, my main motive of having a marketing decision is customer satisfaction. Me as a marketer, if I think that my customers should be satisfied, my people, now if I am the marketer of this YouTube channel, then you are my customer. So what do I work on? I work on that I could give quality products, quality education resources to my online students, to my students. That is customer satisfaction. When the customer is getting benefited, the marketer feels happy. Societal development, do something so that the people who live in the society get benefit. That is societal development. You can see the marketers, they build various schools, they give donations for the students to with scholarships and all of this. These are the societal development which a marketer does. And when they do the societal development, when they help people in the society, then what happens? There is a relationship building, there is a connection that is built between the marketer and the student. There is a connection that is built between the marketer and the customer, the teacher and the student. So all of this, what does it do? It helps the customers to come back again and again. Now if study with me is giving good resources to you, what happens? There is a connection that is being built between the student and the teacher. Now what happens? Every time the student has any doubts or wants any resources, they do comment, they do come back again and again to the channel to get the resources. So this helps in building up the connection. So what are the factors that determine marketing decision? Mass production, innovative product, do a better advanced product, aggressive selling, customer satisfaction, societal development, and relationship building. We'll see each of this in detail. What is marketing philosophy? A marketing philosophy is something that a marketer implies or uses in the market in order to do the best marketing uh, strategy. Okay, what does a marketer do? He tells what are the technologies. He tries to uh, communicate it to the customer. How? By telling them that this is what I'm going to give you. So when the uh, marketer is telling this, what happens? There is a connection between the customer and the marketer. So marketing philosophies, on what basis am I doing the marketing? There are different philosophies of marketing. For it might be like production marketing, sales marketing. Marketing is done on societal philosophy. So what is the philosophy? What is the basis of me doing the business? The business may it has improved, and in a very short span it has improved in a very drastic way within a passage of time. All the areas where the people are working today, where they are living today, it has made a tremendous progress. So how is this possible? It is possible only with the help of the marketers. So today what is that a marketer should know? A modern marketing technology, a marketer should know how to use a modern marketing technology by using the various communication strategies. Why? Because he has to build a connection in the marketplace. You see many podcasts being given, many radio channels, they tell that so and so event is happening in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, in any part of India. So, what do the marketing philosophy? It wants to connect with the people. How are they going to connect with the people? That is what a marketer has to focus on. So, why the marketer is interested in connecting with the people? Only then the customers will feel they belong to that marketer. Now, if you see some customers in UAE, they might be very good customers, or they might be a frequent customers or visitors to Nesto, to Carrefour, to say Emirates Mall, or any place. So where the customers feel connected, they go there again and again. So what are the different philosophies in marketing? The different philosophies in marketing which we are going to see excuse me, is product concept, production concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and societal marketing concept. So, what does the production concept deals? The production concept, each concept has their main focus. Okay. Now, what does the production concept deals? The production concept thinks what can we make or do the best. Production is their main aim. How can I uh, give products to the customers in the most cheapest way? Production here, the main aim of a marketer is to produce goods as many as possible. The quantity which a marketer produces here is huge. That is why production concept is called as mass production. So what is the main aim of having this philosophy? That whatever goods I'm producing, it is being sold to all the customers at a affordable cost, at a minimum cost. Okay. So what happens in the uh, production concept? The customers will have to choose the product or services which are available to them in the most economical way. I go and I purchase a product. I will see a product that is very cheap, which is economical. That is called as mass production. So, mass production, what is the main aim of this? I will charge a minimum cost for my product. Okay, so with this, what happens? There is a huge market attraction. Now, if you see this Lenovo, it has attracted many large customers with minimum cost. Okay, you get a mobile phone. Now, Samsung, it attracts the middle class people the most because the cost and the product is efficient for them. Sales production. What happens in the sales orientation or sales selling philosophical concept? In selling philosophical concept, the main aim which the marketer does is that there should be, how can I sell more aggressively? How can I increase my profit in the market? Selling, it is the main act of this type of marketer. Next one is the marketing concept. What do they do in the marketing concept? In marketing philosophical concept, the marketers treat the customer as a king. They come to the customers, first catch their ideas, what products do they want, and then they go and produce. Okay, this is what the marketing concept, they think what the customer need, what they want, and then they produce. Like the channel study with me, what do they do? They do this marketing concept. They treat the students as the king, the main source, and then they ask the students what do they need to learn, what is that I can help you with. Taking the data from that, then the teacher produces or teaches the student. Next one is the societal marketing concept. In societal marketing concept, what is the main thing? Customer satisfaction. They want the customers to benefit from the society, because we live people, they live in a society. So what do customers want? What is that would benefit the customer? The philosophy is on that, and then the marketer works on it. So marketing management philosophies we will now check in the next video, because this is increasing, is becoming like more lengthy. I'll meet you in the next part.